What's up? Real Soviet Union here. So today we're playing Space City. Part 4. Part 4? Yeah, part 4. I also made my first plushie. Hear that? That's my plushie. I just wrapped it with tape, because that's how plushies work. Also, inside my plushie is cotton to make it squishy. It also looks like the Wither Storm. It's already colored, but not for sale. Sorry guys, it's not for sale. Sorry about that. I'm gonna turn off my microphone. Okay guys, so I just noticed when I just didn't put water and add this first small water generator, it didn't need any water, so I'ma delete it. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna play with my plushie. Done. Sorry about that. Oh no! I needed the vodka bar, cause this is Russia. Can get vodka bar, or the vodka bar, or the vodka. I need the vodka. Yeah. 15! Oh man, at least I have. No. Shut. Sorry about that. I need to do it again. Shut the fuck up! Why is the vodka for 15? Oh my god. At least I can unlock this now. Fuck. Mountain. Please God, I want gold. Please God. God, God, please God, 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 God. So mad right now. Mad! At least we need zinc. And aluminum. Turn off my microphone. Ignore the voice when I was about to turn off my microphone. Ignore that noise. Just ignore it. Don't listen to it. It's just ignore that. Wow. Aluminum. Oh. No.
Happy na, pinaka-tablet. Ha?
Ignore that noise. Ignore that noise. Just ignore that noise. Ignore that noise. Just ignore it. Please ignore it. If you don't ignore it, I will come to your house and kill you. Bro, I forgot the rice. We need rice. We need rice. Yeah, we need rice. Yeah, we need rice. Okay, ignore the noise that are coming from my microphone. If you don't ignore it, I'll come to your house and kill you. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I will kill you. Also, if you don't ignore the noises that are coming from my microphone, I will ban you in YouTube. gonna make a beach now. Making a beach. If you don't ignore the sounds that are coming from my house, I will ban you. I know you don't like to get banned, but I'll ban you for 9 quadrillion days. I mean years. I need the sand. The beach will only be this big, not even bigger. Yes. Ignore the noises or else I ban you for 9 quadrillion years like what I said earlier. I kinda hate this beach. It looks so ugly. Gonna delete it. Ignore the noises. So that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe.